about adjoining state of Karnataka, where Bengaluru's potholes are once again at the center of politics. And this was a direct question that was asked about the growing menace on the city roads. Here is Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar saying that his government is working on the issue and has now assured the citizens that efforts are underway to change Bengaluru's perception. Where DKS has also stressed the quality checks have already been conducted on roadworks and the government is determined to address public concerns that the state's city infrastructure is improving.
It's all illegal, nothing is there. All things are getting well. Bangalore city, we are just going to change the whatever the conception or perception has been created by the media and the opposition. We are going to settle it. We know, we are at it. It is our job. Nowhere in the country a government has given offer to the public to show that where your potholes are. This is only Karnataka has done, and my government and my officials, we have done this.
Well, let's get connected with Neha now. Neha, as far as the Deputy CM and his statement that is now coming, yes, the state government has issued an ultimatum or a deadline by the end of this month, today being the 1st of October. The state government has around 30 days to fulfill with those promises, assurance. But what is the assurance that is now coming in from the state government? Because they want to improve the image of Karnataka's infrastructure, especially of Bengaluru, as multiple incidents of potholes that has led to deaths and injuries that have been reported.
Well, Amita, that's right. You know, what's shocking is that even as you have the state government here saying that all quality checks are in place, we've seen several posts emerging on social media with, in fact, citizens and netizens now questioning the quality of the work. Many saying that, you know, it's just within 48 hours of a road being laid or within 48 hours of potholes being filled that, you know, it's starting to chip off again or it's starting to wear off again. Of course, while we're going to be on that pursuit there to carry out that reality check, questions really arising about whether the government is compromising on quality here in a bid of racing against time there to fill up the potholes before the deadline approaches.
Right, but then what exactly would be the point there, Neha? Because still if there are potholes reported after 31st of October, the government actually still needs to maintain the roads with those high quality as far as when it comes to material that needs to be used to cover up those potholes.
Well, that's absolutely right. Of course, like you rightly pointed out, while the government there has set that deadline of 30th September, we're seeing officials on ground racing against time. While we're seeing work happening, the quality of the work is what is really coming under question right now. Are these, in fact, you know, potholes that are just being filled up right now without any actual science behind this in a bid to ensure that, you know, it appears at a surface level that the city is free of potholes? Is the government compromising on the quality of the potholes? A lot of questions that have been raised here by experts and others. Of course, it's only a matter of time now, really, you know, before these potholes start to wear off, is what many have said. We'll really need to wait and see, while the government here, of course, claims to be doing its best and also says that, you know, they're going to ensure the best quality work is done. We've seen how it's often been in the past, you know, where netas continue to make false promises and people continue to be at the receiving end.
Right, but over, you know, 13,000 potholes having been filled, that seems to be the claim that has been coming from the state government. However, they're trying to assure the public that when it comes to photo and video documentation, that is also being maintained for verification.
Well, that's right. While, of course, you know, there were thousands of potholes that had riddled Bengaluru city, and while the Deputy Chief Minister there putting out that figure of 13,000 potholes that have been filled across the city, question still remains as to, with the government racing against time, rushing to fill up these potholes right now, are these potholes going to last? That's the big question that's really arisen right now in many places. You know, like netizens have been putting out several posts over there as well. In many places, the work that's begun or the work that's been completed has started to wear off in just 48 hours. So what is really the point of carrying out these works if they're not going to last is a big question now that arises.
All right. Well, that question needs to be put forward with the, Deputy CM himself, because he seems to be claiming that everything is well. And there is work that is now being done, of course, when it comes to filling those potholes, but also mainly to improve the city image of Bengaluru as not someone which is ridden with potholes as far as the roads are concerned. Let's listen in once again to the Deputy Chief Minister.
It's all illegal, nothing is there. All things are getting well. Bangalore city, we are just going to change the whatever the conception or perception has been created by the media and the opposition. We are going to settle it. We know, we are at it. It is our job. Nowhere in the country a government has given offer to the public to show that where your potholes are. This is only Karnataka has done, and my government and I have my officials we have done.